Hey everyone, Rick, the Static Nomadic. Day 2 of Rosa's impact, I guess you want to call it, here in Moab. And it really hasn't been much of a rain event. You know, you can see we got wetted down pretty good, but I don't even think we've had an inch of rain so far. It was extremely windy though last night, all night long. But it does look like we have some heavier stuff coming. I have no idea why this camper guy decided to park at the lowest area. But that's liable to be kind of muddy down there. Look how high he had to lift that thing to get it leveled. Huh. Wow. Anyway, the next round is probably a couple 3 hours out, maybe even more. We'll see what it brings, but it really hasn't rained all that much here. There you go. Let it rain, let it rain. Bring on the show. I want to see some mud flow. Not really. I don't know though. It might be interesting for the guy down at the bottom. Yummy, yummy. Hot chili. Cheese. It's a sliced American because I didn't have any shredded cheddar. But, jalapenos and sour cream. Nothing like a good bowl of chili on a cold, rainy day. Comfort food. And I'm going to sit here and watch a movie as well called No Escape, No Return. I never remember watching this one. Pretty wild looking night. We've had some rain today, but not nearly as much as they said we would. It's sprinkling right now, so I better get back inside so I don't kill the camera. I just thought that was cool looking. Brr, that was cold. That rain's like ice, and the wind didn't help nothing either. Anyway, looks like we might get some more rain tonight. I doubt. If it's anything like the other ones, it'll hit pretty hard and heavy, but it won't last long. So, not too worried about anything there. Anyway, I'm going to hit the hay. Hope you guys have a great night. Peace out.
Thank you.